Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Arcane Dragon here. Today we're going to talk about this awesome free-to-play game called TROVE, and we're going to dive in and specifically talk about this awesome dragon called the Starlight Dragon. We're going to talk about what you need to do and how you need to do it in order to get this particular dragon. So guys, let's dive into the video. Let's have a great day and let's do this. Alright guys, when you first log in, it's going to bring you to this particular area, which is called the hub world. Now in the hub world, you come all the way over here to the right hand side. You see this dragon. There is a dragon crucible over here. You click the dragon crucible, go to dragon souls, and then go to the very bottom on the right, and it says Starlight Dragon souls. This is what you're gonna have to craft in order to craft this dragon. So what you need is you're gonna need 4 dragon coins, 1 golden soul, and 10 diamonds. Now that's just to craft 1 dragon soul. You're gonna need 100 of them if you want to get the legendary version that you can fly and actually shoot bombs and everything like that. So in total, you need 400 dragon coins, 100 golden souls, and 100 diamonds. So to craft these is not that hard. Golden souls you'll find mixed in with the ores like formosite or shapestone. So you want to go somewhere like Candyland or somewhere like that where they have lots of different materials, and as you're farming them you have a higher chance of getting golden souls. Now if you don't want to actually farm those and you just want to purchase them, you can go into the marketplace, type in golden souls, and purchase them if you have enough flux to do that, and that will help you get it at a faster rate. Diamonds, you have to go to the ring crafting bench, and then you have to select diamonds and then craft them, and you get 5 diamonds for every time you select it and craft it 1 time. So in the end, you get this particular dragon right here, the Starlight Dragon. It has really cool video effects, really awesome like starlight dust that's, you know, is around you as you're flying around. It has really cool effects. When you shoot the bombs, it does the same thing. You get those really awesome starlight, I don't know, like smoke effects or whatever you want to call it. So there's different stages. So one of the different stages are, so if we go in here and we go to our different dragons, so we're going to go in here to dragons and we'll go to fledgling. Now we'll scroll down and we'll go to the Starlight. So when you first get it, and you get I think it's 10, I believe it's 10 dragon souls, you'll look like this. You have this guy right here. So then from this guy, let's go back. You get an adult. So when we get to the adults right here, oh, you get 50. So when you get to 50 dragon souls, you get this guy. Now this is the adult. So you're like, oh yeah, look at that, man. I got the adult dragon. Oh yeah, what now? Oh yeah. Well, it can't shoot any bombs. See, watch, I'll try to shoot bombs up and I just fall down. So that's the only thing. So the adult's really cool. It seems like you have it completed, but you don't. You still have to consume another 50 dragon souls. So you gotta make sure you guys are aware of that. And then you can go over to, I think it's Ancestral. Yep, here it is. The Starlight Dragon. And then boom, now you have this. It looks almost the same, except now the only difference is you can actually shoot the bombs. So as far as getting everything, that's it guys. Alright guys, well thank you for watching the video. I hope it was very insightful and explained everything you need to know in order to craft this Starlight Dragon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you hit the bell, make sure you subscribe, because there's going to be more videos coming your way. There's plenty of other dragons and mounts and things that will be coming up in future videos, so please make sure you guys are stay tuned and ready for those videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great one.